The 2026 Mazda RX-8 is imagined as a bold return of one of Mazda's most iconic nameplates, bringing back the spirit of rotary performance with a modern twist. As the automotive world moves toward electrification, Mazda's approach with the new RX-8 blends its historic Wankel rotary engine with advanced hybrid technology, aiming to recreate the lightweight, high-achieving driving excitement that made the original RX-8 so beloved. This new concept envisions a sports car designed not only for enthusiasts, but also for a new generation that values innovation, efficiency, and distinctive design. At the heart of the 2026 RX-8 is a next-generation rotary-hybrid power. While the rotary engine remains compact and smooth, its primary function shifts toward generating power for the hybrid system. Paired with electric motors, the setup delivers instant torque, improved fuel efficiency, and lower emissions while preserving the signature rotary character. The expected power output is aimed to compete with modern turbocharged sports cars, offering strong acceleration and a thrilling high RPM experience. This rotary-electric combination also provides better balance and a lower center of gravity, enhancing agility and making the RX-8 feel planted through corners. The exterior design of the imagined 2026 RX-8 pushes Mazda's Kodo design language into a more aggressive direction. It features a sculpted aerodynamic profile with a long hood, short rear deck, and a wide stance that emphasizes performance. The iconic freestyle rear doors could make a comeback, offering practicality without compromising the coupe-like appearance. LED lighting, sharp lines, and muscular fenders give the car a striking presence, ensuring it stands out on the road as a true evolution of its predecessor. Lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber are expected to be used strategically to improve rigidity and overall performance. Inside, the cabin is designed to blend modern technology with a driver-focused layout. High-quality materials, minimalist styling, and performance-oriented touches create a sporty yet premium feel. A fully digital instrument cluster, a wide infotainment display with Mazda's latest connectivity, and advanced driver assist systems all contribute to a refined driving environment. The seating position is low and supportive, giving the driver a sense of connection to the car, while the rear seats remain usable thanks to the unique door configuration. On the road, the 2026 RX-8 is imagined to deliver the same playful and responsive handling the original was known for, with improved chassis rigidity, revised suspension tuning, and an advanced traction management system for the hybrid setup. The new model offers sharp turn-in, excellent balance, and a lively driving feel. The addition of electric assistance enhances low-end performance while maintaining the rotary engine's smooth and high-erving nature. This combination gives the RX-8 a unique personality compared to traditional sports cars. Overall, the 2026 Mazda RX-8 is envisioned as a fresh chapter in Mazda's performance history. Blending nostalgia with modern engineering and hybrid efficiency, it carries forward the rotary legacy while adapting to future performance trends, making it an exciting prospect for enthusiasts and a symbol of Mazda's commitment to innovation.